Hello, this is Peter from Chooch. Today I want to talk about smart analytics. So now that we're capturing all this information at the edge, in the cloud, wherever, again, looking at unstructured video, and then in turn, looking for people, PPE, fire and smoke, weapons detection, whatever we're looking for, again, all of this is being captured as part of our software. Now, what do we do with that information? Step one, obviously, is filtering that data out based on business rules, what we call analytic settings. And once we define these alert rules, this data can then be sent to Smart Analytics on the Chooch platform side, and that can be deployed a lot of different ways. So Smart Analytics is a centralized environment where you can have multiple edge servers aggregating the data to Chooch, and we visualize it a couple different ways. Step one would be the alerts. We can look at potentially images and or video clips of the activation. So again, maybe a person loitering for too long. Option number two is we can also look at it from a graphing standpoint, from a trend standpoint. This could be bar graphs, line graphs for frequency, things like that. And then option number three is dashboarding, be it heat mapping, queue, or line counting, or other things like that. Again, all about taking this information and making it actionable and helping you provide more educated decisions into operations, even potentially automating that too. So again, this is what we offer natively within Chooch. Another option too, completely outside of Smart Analytics, is also instead looking to integrate it to your environment, and a lot of different ways we can do, and we can explore that as a separate option or discussion with you. But again, here's talking about Smart Analytics, and hopefully you know more about the product today. Thank you for being with me.